Good morning. I'm going into Kennedy Meadows today. Holy cannoli. That is beautiful. Today's climbs done. I just got super stoked about the cheeseburgers in town. And I did 2 15-minute miles. It's fast. It's also flat and downhill. But now there's this freaking river. And I just feel like I need to go wade in there a little bit. Ooh, I could dip myself. I'm going. Whatever. I'll eat the cheeseburger later. I'm going in. At least for a dunk. Dun, dun, dun. Got my little rock. This is how I get in. I have not dunked myself, but I have waded in up to my thighs. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe. It's so cold. This beautiful body of water is the Kern River. That's what I ended up dunking myself in. I didn't get my hair wet, but full body dunk. It was lovely. This is our first glimpse of Kennedy Meadows. It's gonna be so beautiful in there. 700 miles, baby. Yeah. I'm in Kennedy Meadows. I'm gonna go get a cheeseburger now. It's gonna be awesome. I need to drink some water. Less than a mile. Getting close. And right by the river. Sequoia National Forest, leaving to go to the general store. What am I gonna eat? Everything. Thank you for the sweet resupply box, Mark. Perfect. Just living that hiker trash dream, you know? I got over 700 miles on my Ultra Lone Peaks. New shoe time. It's National Geographic out here. Camping out back at Grumpy Bear's. Everybody else was up at the bar area eating and drinking. And I happened to notice there was a ruckus with these birds. So I started paying attention. And look at this snake. So the birds have a nest right there in that little hole on the side of this shed or whatever kind of building it is. And the snake didn't seem to know exactly where the nest was, but he could clearly tell it was somewhere around there. So he was really dedicated to this whole cause. And not to spoil it for you, but this goes on all night, basically. Mm-hmm. They were.
Wait, your timing is impeccable both times.
I'm really good.
What's going on today?
I should be on Animal Planet. I am really good at this.
What's going on?
Dude, I once filmed an epic battle between an eagle and an osprey in Oregon. It was amazing.
Oh shit.
Look at this. He's about to get in there and eat all the things. Oh my god. Oh, maybe not. They're just sleeping.
Oh my god, he's
This is nature, guys. This is how it happens.
Oh, I see the porta pots now.
Oh man. Oh, he's going all the way in.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Most snakes are so sneaky and.
Oh my god, I've been waiting all day for this.
Yeah.
Literally.
Think he's actually eating?
Probably.
I want to see the big egg just pass through.
I mean, yeah.
Doesn't work like that.
I mean, kind of. You can see the lump in them after they eat.
Yeah, watch him get stuck in the hole there. There'll be a big lump in him.
Like, how's he gonna get out?
Okay, I was probably the most into this whole nature bird versus snake situation, but everybody was pretty into it.
He's looking. He's poking his head out, but he doesn't like the light, probably. Curious to see what he does. Whether he comes down the wall or he goes back up.
Maybe he's so full he doesn't want to go back up. Oh, there he goes. It's kind of spooky in the dark. That's nature, you know? Anyway, we ended up staying for the day, taking a 0 to rest up, make sure I had everything in order before we headed into the Sierra. We stayed the night down at the country store rather than at Grumpy's. That way we'd be within walking distance to the trail so everybody could head out whenever they wanted in the morning. But check out this tent city of Grumpy Bears. Oh, hey guys, we've got Mooch, Lightning on the right, and V right behind me.